welcome back to Red Ted Art. It is the final of our special princess series. We have 7 princess dolls or princess ornaments for you to make, and today we're making Ariel. Come on, let's take a look and see how she's made. To make Ariel, you will need the Ariel Printable, glue stick, scissors, a little bit of thread for hanging, and pink paper to make your circles. The first thing we'll do is cut out Ariel roughly. Keep this for scraps or other projects. Here we go. I will also trim the top of her head because that will make it easier to add your hanging thread. You'll see in a bit what I mean. Okay. Now you want to fold her in half. You've got some slight lines there, and you want to make sure that they fit together perfectly. The way I do it is I hold it up against the window or against a light and make sure the eyes and everything aligns super neatly. I'm going to do that now and then come back. Okay, we have her perfectly aligned. I've made a nice neat crease, so that'll help me. I'm now going to put glue all over, especially to where the hands are and all the outward details, so that it sticks together really neatly. Add your thread for hanging. If you forget to do that now, if you accidentally cut it off, you can sew it on later as well, which is fine. Fold it over. And now it's time to cut out our princess in detail as well as our circles. So I'm going to do that and then we'll come back to the next bit. My 8 circles, I folded them all in half. Now I'm going to glue 4 together at a time. We have our 4 halves. Align it with the center of the dress. Make a little mark for the band and then cut. Put some glue on either side. And then glue down. Fold open, and you can now trim it to fit the original dress. And we will repeat exactly the same for the other side. And there we have it. Ariel is also finished. Let's have a little spin. We've got her, and then we'll spin her. I do love it when they spin, they're so cute. Now, as you know, this Ariel is joined by Snow White, by Jasmine, by Cinderella, no, not Cinderella, Aurora, by Cinderella, Belle, and by Elsa. So we've got 7 princesses for you. What's also really lovely about these princesses is they're not just great ornaments for the Christmas tree, but if you don't put the hangers in, you can have a little 3D paper dolls as they stand up really well, except when I keep knocking them over, of course. So they make great little paper toys as well. They look super, super cute. And because you can fold up the skirts, you can actually also just pop them into an envelope and store them. So if you're traveling or if you want to make them and then keep them for the following year, just fold them up, pop them in an envelope, and they're super, super easy to store. Now there's 7 videos, 7 blog posts, 7 printables. Just grab them all and, you know, have lots and lots of fun with your princesses. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.